Hello, my friends. You might hear some background noise because my daughter and my granddaughter are jibber-jawing in the other room, but I really wanted to get this unboxing done. First of all, this is my first order from Semo Wax Melts, and I only ordered a very few things, so I'm wondering what all this packaging is about. So I did order these. Blueberry cheesecake cookie because I thought it would be I usually don't like bakery scents, but I thought it would just make a beautiful wax melt. They smell amazing. Look how pretty they are. This package here was $5.25, which is very reasonably priced. This 3-pack of Cuddle Up washboards, and that was $4.10. I just thought they were super adorable washboards, and they're bigger than I thought. So I can chop into these to use them. These are scented in Cuddle Up, which assuming smells like maybe some washing stuff. I don't know. Then we had blueberry jam butter cookie, and again, this was bought basically because I thought it would make a beautiful melt for my melt videos. So this is, I'm sorry, this is blackberry jam. I said blueberry. It smells really nice. I could smell it right through the packaging. And this was $4.25. And then it looks like we have some generously sized samples here, which has filled the bag up. We have lavender linen Noel. I'm not sure what the Noel part of it is. I don't particularly like lavender, but the mixture might be amazing. And look how pretty it is. It's got little like designs in that right there. All right, and then we have brown sugar apple bread. People do like their bakery sets. I guess they're all bakery scent from Semo Wax Melts. Because then we have a zucchini bread supreme. I'm not a bakery scent person. I swear I'm not. But I do appreciate the samples. I at least get to try them out. Zucchini bread supreme. Brown sugar apple bread. And then this is the only non-bakery scent, which is lavender linen Noel. So I know she does some non-bakery scents. This is a bakery scent. And this is a bakery scent, but like I just couldn't resist. They are just so freaking beautiful. So I had to have them. And then I'm unsure about this Cuddle Up as far as the scent. I'm gonna put this on pause and I'm gonna smell it closely. Okay, just as I suspected, this smells sort of like laundry type stuff. So it smells really nice. And they all smell nice that I can smell through the package. I'm just not a bakery scent type chick, but I'm going to love making these videos because look how pretty they are. I mean, come on. All right, guys, that's it from Semo Wax Melts. I appreciate the samples. Thank you very much. I've got Mad Maiden. I've got Mad Maiden. So here is the card from Mad Maiden, and I have another card from Mad Maiden. The card reads, "You're the cat's meow," and inside is my invoice. Oops. And a thank you. Alright, so let's take a look at the items I got because they're shimmery. The first one that I got is Captain Spaulding. And oops. Sorry, I'm having a migraine today, so I'm doing this from my bed. But look how cute it is. The second item is, which one? This one is Silent Night. And I believe it's a Michael Myers. Yes, it's a Michael Myers face. If you can see through here, I'll be back in a minute with them completely unwrapped. Then I have Deadly Night. And I think it's just a design on there. I can't see. I will show you in a few minutes, as I mentioned before. And then the last one I have, I just thought was a pretty shimmery coffin, and it's Mermaid Tomb. All right, I'll be back with them all open. All right, here we are back. We have this very first one. It is Michael Myers, Silent Night. Oh, I guess it wasn't a design. I forgot what I even ordered. So this is the Jason, and it's called Deadly Night. So Silent Night, Deadly Night. We have R.I.P. Captain Spaulding, and it's beautiful and shimmery. And then the last one that I got is a mermaid tomb. I thought it was beautiful, and I also, the scent profile looked awesome to me. Ocean air and hibiscus. All right, guys, that's it for the Mad Maiden. Oh, I didn't tell you the pricing. So the mermaid tomb was $5.50. The R.I.P. Captain Spaulding, that was $5.50. The Deadly Night, which is this one, was $5. And then this other one was $5.50. So they're all basically about $5. All right, that's it for the Mad Maiden. So I am back with one final unboxing, which is already unboxed. This is from Suzie's Bubble. Pardon the noise again. My family is just acting up. Anyway, so coming to you from Migraine Central, which is my bed because I don't feel good, but which is another reason I'm not doing a regular type of unboxing. So look at this thing that I got from Suzie's Bubble. Saturday morning bath cocktail with bubble top. So it looks like it's got just a bunch of bath bombs in there. 1, 2, 3, and then a bubble top. Oh, maybe 4. Yes, 4 at the top. It looks like there's like a donut one at the top. And this says $15. I don't think I paid that. I think it was a different price. I believe it was pretty inexpensive. I can't even remember. Hold on. I'll check and see if I can find my invoice. So I'm back. So I paid $5 for this. And as you can see, it was severely discounted. And not only was it really, really discounted. Oh, look at the scents on there. Not only was it drastically reduced, but there was free shipping on these 2 items. And the reason I actually bought from Suzie's Bubbles, because this is the first time I purchased from them, is because someone had posted that they purchased and there was free shipping on a few items. And I'm all about trying to get the discount nowadays, ladies. You already know. And this one was also free shipping. And they're big, so I don't even know how she could afford to do it. This originally was priced at $10. And I got it for freaking $4. It's got a bath bomb, it's got the topping, and free shipping. I don't know how she could afford to do this because these were heavy, and the box that she sent it in was so super packed with packaging material so that the stuff wouldn't get damaged, that it was a super big box. When I got the box, I'm like, what the heck did I order? I thought I only ordered 2 things. Then she generously sent a thank you bath bomb, which is super cool looking. Look at that eyeball in there. I'm really so excited to try all of these. This was an $8 value that she sent me for free. The Eye of Newt bath bomb cauldron. I am so excited to use all of these. I don't know if I'll be able to use this one really though, because come on, look at that thing. So again, this was discounted from 10 to 4 with free shipping. This was discounted from 15, which it is well worth with all those bath bombs in there, to 5, free shipping, and then a free bath bomb. I am so thankful for the free shipping. Thank you very much for the beautiful bath bombs and free shipping and the free item. All right, guys, that's all from Suzie's Bubbles. I'm really just, look at this. All right, I'll talk to you guys on the next one.